This is Swaminarayan. Welcome to e-learning class. Last time we have learned about chemical equation and how can we balance balance our equation. So today we have learned about our new point is that types of reaction. Before we are going to see types of reaction, we should need to see here chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? So when chemical change occur, we say that chemical reaction has taken place. So now there are main 5 types of chemical reactions are in our syllabus. So now first one is combination reaction, second one is decomposition reaction, third one is displacement reaction, fourth one is double displacement reaction, fifth one is oxidation reduction. Okay, so oxidation reduction reaction, ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन रिएक्शन दोनों रिएक्शन एक साथ होती है तो उसे हम कहते हैं यहाँ पे रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन. सो नाउ विच इज ऑल्सो नोन एज रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन. नाउ टुडे वी आर लर्न अबाउट two reaction. First one is combination reaction, second one is decomposition reaction. So now let's see what is combination reaction and what is decomposition reaction. Okay, so now today we are learn about combination reaction. So first of all we should need to see here definition of combination reaction. So now the definition of combination reaction is that reaction in which single product is formed from two or more reactant from two or more reactants is known as combination reaction. Okay, now ये जो रिएक्शन है उसे हम एक्टिविटी थ्रू भी समझ सकते हैं. सो पहले हम यहाँ पे एक बीकर लेंगे और बीकर में यहाँ पे हम CaO विच इज नोन एज calcium oxide. Okay, so now CaO known as calcium oxide. Okay, so जब भी हम यहाँ पे बीकर में कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड लेते हैं और कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड लेने के बाद वाटर ऐड करते हैं तो वाटर ऐड करने से यहाँ पे कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड जो है वो वाटर के साथ विगोरसली रिएक्ट करेगा. सो वी आर मेक इक्वेशन हियर लाइक दिस. सो नाउ द इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस प्रोसेस इज CaO plus H2O will give rise to CaOH twice and heat. So now when calcium oxide react with water, we have get calcium hydroxide and heat. Okay, so now everyone look at here, we have get here side product is heat. Okay, that means we are also saying that heat is released during this reaction. So now we are saying that combination reaction is also known as exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction, because we are see here during this reaction we are see here during this reaction heat is released. So that is the reason we are saying that combination reaction is also known as exothermic reaction. Now let's see here another example of combination reaction is burning coal. When coal burn, so we have get here CO2. So when coal is burned, we have get here CO2. CO2 is also known as carbon dioxide. So we are saying that carbon dioxide, coal, then oxygen, oxygen and then carbon dioxide gas, carbon dioxide. Okay, now another example of combination reaction is that formation of water. Okay, so when dihydrogen gas react with dioxygen gas, so we have get here two gas. Okay, so now we have get here H2O gas. That means when dihydrogen gas react with dioxygen gas, so we have get here 2 H2O. So now everyone match each and every equation with our definition. So now we are going one more time definition of combination reaction. So now let's see here or match here this equation with our definition. So now what is our definition? So reaction in which single product. So reaction in which single product. Okay, then single product. Okay, so now reaction in which single product is formed from two or more reactants. So now this one is known as reactant. So now there are two reactants we are use here, and we have get one or single product. So now look at here, two reactant and single product, two reactants and single product, two reactants and single product. Now let's see another example of combination reaction is that burning of natural gas. So now what is natural gas? Okay, and which gas is known as natural gas? So now everyone look at here, methane. So now methane is known as natural gas. When methane is react with dioxygen gas, methane is react with dioxygen gas, so we have get here carbon dioxide and H2O. So we are use here one more time two reactants, and we have get here single product and our side product. Okay, so now everyone keep it in your mind, what is combination reaction? Combination reaction means reaction in which single product is formed from two or more reactants is known as combination reaction. Now these are the examples of combination reaction. This is the activity of combination reaction. Okay, one more important thing is that combination reaction is also known as exothermic reaction, because during this reaction energy is released. Okay, so now that is the reason we are saying that combination reaction is also known as exothermic reaction. Okay, now we are going to see here decomposition reaction. Okay, so now decomposition reaction. First of all, we should need to see here definition of decomposition reaction. So the process in which simplifying a single chemical entity into two or more fragments. So two or more fragments. Now यहाँ पे जो decomposition reaction है वो combination reaction से opposite है. That is the reason एग्जाम में चांसेस है अगर ये क्वेश्चन डिफरेंस के फॉर्म में अगर पूछा जाए तो हम इस तरीके से यहाँ पे जो हमने डिफरेंस के फॉर्म में जो राइट किया हुआ है वो हम राइट कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड नीड टू राइट द डेफिनेशन ईच एंड एवरी reaction like combination and decomposition reaction. Okay, so one more time we are going to see here definition of decomposition reaction. So first one is the process Okay, the process in which simplifying a single chemical entity into two or more fragments. So now let's see here perform one activity. So पहले हम यहाँ पे टेस्ट ट्यूब और बर्निंग ट्यूब के अंदर FeSO4 विच इज नोन एज फेरस सल्फेट लेके देन बाद में हम ये जो टेस्ट ट्यूब है उसे हम बर्नर की जो फ्लेम है उसके ऊपर यहाँ पे रखेंगे. When we are put this test tube on flame, we are observe that smell and the color of FeSO4. Okay, so now this reaction is also we are write into a equation like this. So now our equation of this activity is, so equation of this activity is FeSO4 will give raised to Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. So now everyone look at here FeSO4. FeSO4 means ferrous sulfate. Okay, फेरस सल्फेट को हीट देने से यहाँ पे हमें फेरिक ऑक्साइड जो है और साइड प्रोडक्ट वी हैव गेट साइड प्रोडक्ट लाइक SO2 means sulfur dioxide. So SO2 means sulfur dioxide and SO3 means sulfur trioxide. So now we have get here ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Another example of decomposition reaction is that, so CaCO3 we are also like heat right here. If you want to write like this, okay, and if you want to write like this, so you can, because this is the symbol of heat. So suppose if you want to write like this, so you can, and suppose if you want to write like this, so you can. Okay, so now when CaCO3 means calcium carbonate. Now everyone keep it in your mind, white marble is also known as CaCO3, which is known as calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate divide into two parts. So first one is CaO, which is known as calcium oxide. Calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas, calcium oxide. Okay, another example, best example of decomposition reaction is that electrolysis of water. So electrolysis process, so electrolysis of water is also known as, or also best example of decomposition reaction. Okay, then next example of decomposition reaction is that when PbNO3 twice, that means lead nitrate, divide into PbO means lead oxide, then nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. Okay, so now this is also one kind of example of decomposition reaction. Okay, last and final, AgCl. When AgCl divide into two parts, so we have get Ag and Cl2. AgCl is also known as silver chloride. AgCl is also known as silver chloride. Okay, सिल्वर क्लोराइड को हीट देने से यहाँ पे हमें सिल्वर एंड डाइक्लोरिन और डाइक्लोराइड जो है वो हमें मिलेगा. और यहाँ पे AgBr इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड. सो सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड को यहाँ पे हीट देने से हमें Ag प्लस Br2, दैट मीन्स सिल्वर एंड ब्रोमाइड जो है वो हमें यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्म में मिल सकती है. ओके, नाउ मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट these two are also used in black and white photography. Okay, so now another reaction we learn in our another reaction we are learn in our next class. Okay, thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.